Hey guys, Jerry here. I hope you're doing well today. I want to make a little video and tell you just a little bit more about this free website. Yes, it's free. It won't cost you anything to join. It doesn't cost a monthly fee. It doesn't cost a weekly fee. There's not a yearly fee. This is a free website. All you have to do is just sign up. I'm going to post a link in the description box below. Click on the link, sign up, become an affiliate. This is affiliate marketing. That's when you sell somebody else's product and they pay you a commission. This website will pay you a commission for every product that you sell. It's that simple. All you have to do is share your link with Facebook, Instagram, whatever social media platform you choose. You share your link and make sales, and in return you get a commission. This is Market Health. It is free to join. It will not cost you a dime ever. These are the products right here. Now you go through the products, and once you pick a product you want to promote, you go here. And what they do is they give you a tracking link. All you got to do is copy it and paste it anywhere, anyplace, anytime. If this link is too long for you, you can shorten the link. See, you get a tiny link. If you want one, just click on it, and there you go. It's so simple, and it's free, people. It won't cost you a dime. Now, for this particular product, this is for the weight loss category. When people click on your link to buy your product, this is what they're going to see. This is the landing page for this particular weight loss product. They're going to fill out their information over here, and then they're going to hit rush my order. Boom, there you go. That's simple. This is a landing page. These landing pages, as you can see, are awesome. Easy, huh? Pretty easy. Once again, I'm going to let you go. This is Market Health. The link will be in the description box if you want to sign up for free to become an affiliate. And then you just go to your website, go through all the products that you want to promote, click on the links right here, and promote those links and make sales. It's that easy, people, and it won't cost you a dime, 1 cent, 1 nickel, nothing, nada. This is all free. It's a free website. You won't pay anything. All you're going to do is promote your link and get paid when you make a sale. There's tons of products to choose from, tons of them. Man, you got all kinds of products to choose from with this website here. It's crazy, simple, crazy and simple and easy. No problem. Anybody can do this. Once again, it's free. I don't know how many times I got to tell you. You won't spend a dime doing this. The only thing you're going to do is just promote it on any kind of platform you want to promote it on. Alright, people, y'all take it easy. The link's going to be in the description box below. Click on the link, sign up for your free membership, and start promoting this business. And every time you make a sale, you will get commission. You're going to get paid. Y'all take it easy. Have a great day.